If you're seeing the message your connection is not private in Chrome, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step. This error can happen for a few different reasons, but in many cases it comes down to something simple like the wrong system date and time, a browser issue, cached data, or security software blocking the connection. So stick with me, and by the end you should have a much better chance of getting back to the site safely. And if this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's jump right in. The first thing you want to check is your date and time. This is one of the most common causes of the error, because if your computer clock is off even a little bit, Chrome may think the website's security certificate is invalid. On Windows, right-click the clock in the bottom right corner and open your date and time settings. On Mac, open Date and Time from System Settings. Once you're there, turn on Set Time automatically. If that option is already on, toggle it off and back on again to refresh the settings. Then give your computer a moment to sync the correct time and try loading the website again in Chrome. If the error is still showing, the next thing to test is Incognito Mode. Incognito can help you figure out whether the problem is being caused by an extension, saved cookies, or cached browser data. To open an incognito window on Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and N. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and N. Then visit the same website again and see if it loads properly. If it works in incognito, that usually means something in your regular browser session is causing the issue. In that case, a browser extension or old cache data is likely the culprit. Now let's clear the Chrome cache, because corrupted or outdated browsing data can sometimes trigger certificate warnings. In Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and select Clear Browsing Data. You'll see options for cached images and files, cookies, and other site data. For this fix, make sure you select cached images and files, and cookies and other site data. You can choose a time range like all time if you want the most thorough cleanup. Then click Clear Data and wait for Chrome to finish. After that, restart the browser and try the website again. If the problem is still there, the next step is to check your antivirus software or VPN. Some antivirus programs use SSL scanning or HTTPS scanning, and that can interfere with secure websites. A VPN can also sometimes reroute traffic in a way that makes Chrome question the certificate. Temporarily turn off SSL scanning in your antivirus or shut down your VPN just long enough to test the connection. Then reload the page and see if the warning disappears. If it does, you've found the source of the problem, and you can adjust that software settings or keep it disabled for that site if appropriate. Just remember, only do this briefly for testing and turn your protection back on afterward. If none of these steps work, the issue may be on the website itself, or the certificate may have expired. But in many cases, fixing the system time, testing incognito, clearing the cache, and checking antivirus or VPN settings will solve it. So let's quickly recap. First, correct your date and time and enable automatic syncing. Second, test the site in incognito mode. Third, clear Chrome's cache data and cookies. And fourth, temporarily disable antivirus SSL scanning or your VPN to see if they're causing the block. If this video helped you fix Chrome's "Your connection is not private" error, please give it a like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.